Hi. Okay, so we have this question that we need to solve. So the question reads, 3 girls shared 2,700 in the ratio 1 to 3 to 5. How much was the largest share? Okay, so we need to find who actually got the largest share. Okay, so if you can do it, you can pause the video and try to solve. And after you are done, you can join so that we can actually find the answer together. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do when you're dealing with ratios, the first thing that you want to do here is to make sure that you know what you need, what you're supposed to do. Okay, so the first thing to do is to understand the question fully before you even start answering the question. Okay, so what is required of us to do is to just add these ratios that have been given. Okay, so that is to say 1 plus 3 plus 5, and that should give us 9. Okay, so that is the first thing that you need to do. You add the ratios that you've been given. So now what you have found, the 9 will act as the common denominator, not to act, but that is the common denominator now that you're going to be using throughout all these 3 ratios. So now pick the first ratio, which is 1. So we'll say 1 over 9 multiplied by 2,700. Okay, so that's what you do. So now here we can find the answer quickly, because we know that 9 into 9 is 1, 9 into 27 goes in there 3 times. So the first one got a 300 quarter. Okay, it's quite easy. So the first one got the 300 quarter. Then we can go to the second one. So we say 3 again over 9 multiplied by 2,700. Okay, we can obviously do the same here. We know that 9 goes into 9 one time, 9 goes in there 3 times. So what is 3 times 3 to give us 9? So this one, the second one got 900 kwacha. Okay. Now you can see that even from here, when you have these two amounts of money, you can just simply add these and subtract 2,700 by this. Then the remainder, it is actually for the one who is actually remaining, but we can still do it. So we'll say 5 over 9 multiplied by 2,700, cancel the 9 there, 1 there, 3. This will give us 1,500. Okay, so 1,900. Let's try to add these. It will give us back a 27. So we're going to say 1,500. Then we also add 900. Then we also add the 300 kwacha. Okay. Then we can do the addition. 0, get 0 here. Then here we'll get 12. 12 plus 5, that's 17. So that's 7. Okay, so it's 2,700. So from this, you can tell that the one that had the ratio of 5. Okay, so how much was the largest share? The largest share was 1,500. So this is actually how you find these ratios given this kind of a question. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll be able to respond to you quickly.